Hey guys, Damien here from School of Attraction. I get a lot of guys asking me, Damien, how do I get a girl to like me? You know, there's a specific girl at work, there's a specific girl at school, or a specific girl at uni. How do I make her like me? Well, today I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to get a specific girl to like you. And I'm going to tell you why that's exactly what you should never do. To find out more, keep watching. So let's pretend for a second that I'm an international spy. And as an international spy, my government agency has given me a whole bunch of psychology training, understanding human psychology. So something that I know is that every human being goes through life trying to fulfill a number of really strong emotional needs. And that you will find yourself drawn towards people who fulfill those emotional needs for you. Now, if the person fulfilling those emotional needs happens to be of the opposite gender, if you have even a little bit of sexual attraction for them as well, you're likely to fall for them head over heels. So for you guys watching, for example, some of your emotional needs may be you're looking to be validated sexually as a man. You know, if you want to prove to yourself and the world that you are worthy of having a woman in your life. Or maybe you're looking for admiration from your friends. If you've got a hot girl on your arm, your friends will admire you. Or maybe you're looking for safety and security right now, and having a woman like in your life, a really loyal woman who can, you know, look after you and bring stability to your world would fit that niche. Or maybe you're looking to rebel against your parents, and you're looking for a woman who's super counterculture because she'll fulfill that need. It could be one of those, or it could be something else. But however you cut it, one thing I know for sure, if I want a particular girl to like me as this FBI agent that needs to infiltrate this woman's life, I need to fulfill her emotional needs. So for example, if she's rebelling against her parents, I might find out what her parents' political leanings are. If they're quite left-wing, I might present myself as a capitalist business guy hell-bent on making money. If her parents were right-wing conservatives, I might present myself as a pot-smoking hippie. If she was looking for excitement, if she emotionally needed excitement in an otherwise boring life, I might show up with a motorbike. If she was looking for a sense of safety and security, I would present myself as a dependable, loyal guy who wants a long-term life plan and a family and all these things. Not going to get me laid easily, but it's going to get me a girlfriend, a long-term partner. But I'm there to fulfill her big core emotional needs. Now, in case you're wondering, this is exactly how spies are trained to infiltrate members of the opposite sex, find their emotional needs, pretend to be something that matches that emotional need precisely, and approach them as that persona. But you should never do this. And the reason is that pretending to be someone you're not has an extremely detrimental effect on your emotional health. So if you go around in life trying to pretend to be a type of guy you're not to attract the woman of your dreams, or the woman who is the woman of your dreams right now, she may be a terrible match for you, but you want that one particular woman so badly you change who you are. That is a horrible life strategy, and trust me, it's going to lead to depression and anxiety and all sorts of life problems because it's not healthy to do. Instead, the key, this is what you should be doing. This is what I've done my whole life. You need to be you. And for a lot of guys watching, they're not 100% sure what that means. What I mean by that is you need to find out what makes you different. Where are your passions? You know, what makes you excited in life? You see, a lot of men, they go through life trying to match societal norms. In its essence, they go through life trying really hard to be vanilla because vanilla is safe. But not a single guy is vanilla, right? But every guy is trying to be vanilla because that's what society says. Get a safe job, get a good degree, don't do anything too far outside the lines, don't do anything too risky, play it safe, just be, all right, that's boring, that's not sexy. No woman wants totally vanilla. And I don't care who you are or what your background is, you as a human being are not that vanilla person. That's just what society says you should be. So what you need to do is discover who you are, okay? Because the real version of you is going to appeal to emotional needs of amazing women, okay? But it's not going to appeal to the needs of every woman, and that's the thing. You can be interesting to every woman, or you can be hugely desirable to a certain subsection of women. And that's exactly what you need to do. If I look at my own life, when I first started getting involved in pickup, I was in a rebellious phase in my life. I had a motorbike. I lived with my parents, unfortunately, but I was in this whole rebellious drugs, motorbikes kind of phase. And so I was like catnip to women who wanted that, right? But then I started to get older and I started a business and I started to get some success. I wasn't really counterculture anymore. And I wasn't interesting to those women who wanted to rebel. Yeah, I wasn't at all interesting to them. What I was interesting to is I was interesting to women who wanted to build success for themselves, women who were looking to start their own businesses or get out of the daily grind, women who wanted to step up and get more out of their life because I had done it. I was as a perfect fit for women like that. And women like that were of greater interest to me now than women just trying to rebel against daddy, right? Because if you know who you are and you're a perfect fit for your actual own personality, you're going to meet and attract women who are a perfect fit for you. So, guys, that's how you can get the one woman you really want, and that's why you absolutely shouldn't go for it in the first place. If you've liked my tips, go ahead and like my video. If you disagree with me or want to add to what I've said, write in the comments below. I'd also like to offer you a really special deal. I'm going to offer the first 100 guys to click my link here or in the comments below a free copy of my award-winning book, Sincere Seduction, where I'll teach you everything you need to know about becoming the kind of man that attracts incredible women. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I look forward to seeing you in my future ones. Take care.